Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the review of the latest software update on the Realme X1 Max device, which is A.20 update. Yes friends, just today morning only I did receive the A.20 update in the Realme X1 Max device, and right now I've been using this device I think for the past continuously close to 12 hours of non-stop usage, and right now the time is about close to midnight, 12:19, as you can see, exactly midnight time. So that of making a video and uploading and then sleeping. So from the morning I have been using this device continuously with the latest version, which is A.20. So I'll try to let you know what is happening with this latest update during my intense kind of usage for 12 hours. And definitely there are a few things which you need to note down. That again I'll be back after maybe 2 to 3 days of usage, then I'll try to give the complete review. So this is just an initial impressions what I did find out in the latest update about the A.20. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So few things I'll try to cover: performance, battery, charging speed, temperatures, connectivity, all of these details I'll try to explain in this video. So first thing is that about the Battlegrounds mobile game. The Battlegrounds mobile game, after this A.20 update, it will be completely locked at only 70 FPS. Doesn't matter if you use the brightness trick, even if you use a set edit application, whatever you do, no other tricks will work to play at 90 FPS except one floating. So you need to use the floating window application of any other WhatsApp or any other thing, any other application. Only then the 90 FPS will work at this moment. You need to minimize and then you need to use it. Only then it actually works. Even if you keep the WhatsApp side, sometimes it doesn't work. Let me try to show you friends. So you need to just keep minimize and try to keep it somewhere on the bottom screen, then it works 90 FPS without any kind of problem. As you can see, only this is a way you can actually play the 90 FPS at this moment in this Realme X1 Max device, unfortunately with this latest update, so which you should definitely understand. Next thing is about the battery draining. So as I said, this is just only initial day of usage. I think day one of using this phone continuously. I do need some more time. So maybe after 2 to 3 days, then I'll definitely update you on the screen on time how much I'm getting, is the battery increased or not. But what I came to know is that with this A.20 update, the battery life seems to be slightly kind of better. That based upon the comments I got, based on the comments and feedback I got, that's what I can definitely say that. But if you try to look at the screen on time and everything, you can take a look. But this is a kind of close to intense kind of testing, because I did run plenty of Realme benchmark tests and a lot of CPU throttling test results during this time of testing, even the gameplay test videos as well. You can check out those videos in case if you're interested. And battery seems to be kind of okay, I would say, but I'm not coming to the full conclusion. So maybe after 2 days, I'll try to update you on this battery thing. So regarding the performance segment, performance seems to be kind of okay friends. There's no issues with the performance at this moment, because I did do a lot of CPU throttling test and even the Realme benchmark test results, even the CPU and the GPU results were able to really good. And the best thing is that the temperatures are not increasing higher this time. That's really good to see, not increasing much temperatures this, because every time I do the benchmark, the temperatures used to increase up to 38 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. But today when I did the benchmark test, the temperatures are increasing only up to 32.7 and 34 degrees Celsius. This only increased with the high performance mode. So overall, there's not much high temperatures are getting in the Realme X1 Max. And one more thing, the charging speed. Charging speed also remained exactly similar. There is no issues with the charging speed in this device. So I did do the charging speed test as well. So just a couple of hours back, you can check out this video. So while doing charging as well, the temperatures did not increase. It was around close to 35 degrees only, 34 and 35. But before the update, the temperatures increased up to 38 degrees. It went up to high as, yes, 38 and 37. So overall, the temperature seems to be slightly maintaining low after this recent update. That's kind of plus point, I can definitely say. So there are a couple of plus points like battery and low temperatures. These two things are slightly kind of better, I would say, in this latest update. So only the negative is that 90 FPS we cannot play in the Battlegrounds mobile game, unfortunately. That's only one drawback at this moment is there in this device, in the Realme X1 Max. Apart from that, I did not notice any kind of other changes, like loudspeaker seems to be exactly perfect, nothing much low volume. I did not detect any other things, and everything seems to be working perfectly fine friends. Vibration and haptic feedback while typing when I'm getting a call, no issues with those. Even the connectivity was pretty good, even with Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, no issues with the connectivity. 4G plus also no issues. I was able to get really good signals, as you can see, 4G plus without any kind of problem, even indoors in the studio environment as well. No problem with the 4G plus as well. Even the fingerprint unlock is also pretty good. No complaints about those fingerprint unlocking in this device. So yes friends, that's it friends. This is a quick review on the Realme X1 Max after the recent update. So Battery life, I need to do complete testing. After 2 days I'll try to upload. Performance wise, it seems to be kind of okay except 90 fps. That's another thing. So even the CPU throttling also seemed to be kind of good. It did maintain really good levels of CPU throttling. As you can see the graph, it looks really promising, like 83% even using high performance mode, without high performance mode. Before the update the graph used to be like this. Try to look at the graph. It used to be like this before the update, but right now after the update it seems to be slightly kind of better. That's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a complete review on the recent software update 8.20 on the Realme X and Max. And if you ask me, should you update or not, it depends upon the Battlegrounds mobile game. If you want to play the game at 90 fps, do not update to the 8.20. Wait for next version 8.21 or 22 when they will try to unlock it. So if you don't play the Battlegrounds mobile game, or if you're okay to play at 70 fps, then absolutely you can go ahead and you can update, no issues, because I did not see much battery draining happening as well. This is only one thing which is stopping few of the users to update from 8.19 to 8.20. In the 8.19 I was able to get 90 fps working perfectly fine, so no issues. So these are the few things you should definitely understand on the Realme X and Max overall, and this is just only 12 hours of usage non-stop. If you watch my videos you will definitely understand I'm trying to use intense kind of usage with this phone. And check out the videos friends. Don't forget to follow the playlist. Playlist will give you the clear idea what is going on with the device. Each and every details I'll try to upload so on the updates, so you should know what is going on. And regarding the camera quality, I did not feel any kind of decrease in the camera quality in this device. So as I said, in case if you feel any differences, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely that will be helpful for other users and even for me as well. And overall doing this gameplay as well, as you can see, we'll be able to get exactly 70 fps, nothing more than that, unfortunately. So let me try to use this magic clips, which is Realme triggers, gaming triggers. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are other changes you did feel in the Realme X and Max. Did you feel any kind of problems or not about this device regarding the battery draining, or maybe regarding the camera? So let me know in the details. But right now the gameplay seems to be really good, not much complaints at this moment. But only thing is the 70 fps, it's only maintaining. That's only one thing you should definitely understand, 70 fps.